I'm having lunch with a coworker today, and then we're gonna go to the Goodwill near there. This is the fit for today. And guess what? Yeah, they're coming with. Let's go. Quick little caffeine stop, because it is like 40 minutes away, and of course I need something to sip on while I jam out.
I'd be late because in 2 different spots on the road that I take, they were doing.
Those are pretty long. Full. I got a surprise. I got all the tree. Got a tree. I got other stuff in here too, but we got a tree. She got jeans. It was a good day.
Good day.